In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Dependencies. Dependencies are a powerful way to show which tasks rely on other tasks before they can start or be completed. This is especially useful in projects where work happens in a specific order, like design, development, then testing. We'll walk through creating simple, waiting on relationships between tasks so your team always knows what needs to happen first. To get started, open your ClickUp Workspace and navigate to the list where your project lives. In this example, I'm in a list inside a project, but it can be any list in your workspace. Make sure you're in a view where you can see your tasks clearly, like the list view. Next, click on the task where you want to set up a dependency. This is the task that cannot move forward until another task is done. When the task window opens, look for the area where task settings and options are displayed. You'll see an option labeled Dependencies. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Dependencies panel, choose the option to add a waiting on task. This tells ClickUp that the current task is blocked until another task is completed. A search or selection field will appear so you can pick which task it depends on. From the list of tasks, select the one that should be done first. In the example shown, that's a task called Circuit Boards. Once you click it, ClickUp will link the two tasks together. Now, your current task is officially waiting on that one. You can repeat this process to create a chain of dependencies. After you've added the first waiting on task, click back into the dependencies area on another related task. Use the same option to add a waiting on dependency, then select another task from your list, such as one called Displays. This lets you map out a sequence where one task waits on another, and that task might also wait on something else. Each time you see the highlighted dependency icon or label, click it to review or add more links. Select the task you want to connect, confirm it, and close the panel. As you continue, you'll see how your tasks form a clear order. One depends on another, which depends on another, and so on. Once you've added your dependencies, take a moment to review them. Check that each task is waiting on the correct task and that the sequence matches how your work should actually flow. This will help prevent confusion and keep your project running smoothly. That's all you need to start using ClickUp Dependencies to organize your tasks and keep your projects on track.